I met Julia today. She's a new student and I'll be her tutor throughout her time here at the UOC. She's just enrolled and she doesn't know the UOC yet. I'll show her the tutor's notice board, which has all the information on her program and tools to help her organize her work. Whereas Charles is in his second year, he has plenty of experience using the forum, where he can send me queries or share ideas and concerns with his classmates. This semester he's asked me for advice on what courses he should choose, bearing in mind his needs and interests. Ariadna, another of the students I'm tutoring, has been promoted at work. So this semester I've helped her adapt her pace of study to the time she now has available. This is how I keep an eye from day to day on how Julia, Charles, Ariadna and all the students I tutor are getting on. I respond to any doubts they might have and I accompany them during their time here. I'm always available for anything they might need.